Time now to talk beauty. We all want smooth and shiny hair, but we're not sure how to get it. Well, master stylist Joshua Paul is here with the answer. Now, before we get to that, though, let's talk about just how you get frizzy hair.
Well, the frizzy hair is usually caused by the cuticle layer of the hair, which is the top layer. And if you picture shingles on your house, when you have smooth hair, the shingles are laying flat. When you have frizzy hair, they're kind of disrupted and they're standing up a bit.
We kind of see it here.
Yeah.
And it looks like that. And then it all kind of comes together and your whole hair looks super frizzy.
Exactly.
So what can we do to fix it?
Well, one of the things I do a lot in the salon is a Brazilian blowout, and I do it on people not only that have frizzy hair, but for those people that say you're going from dark hair to blonde hair, because a lot of times that can cause chemical damage, and so the Brazilian blowout just kind of seals that and makes it healthy again.
Okay, now the Brazilian blowout, what exactly is it?
So it's a smoothing treatment that we do. It's not going to make the hair stick straight, but it's going to make it manageable. It'll cut the blow-dry time down in half, and it'll just make the hair shiny and healthy. You know, hair is actually dead. And so the only way to get it long and healthy is to keep that cuticle layer intact. And that's what this does.
And look at the before and after. I mean, that's pretty amazing. In fact, Lee also got it done. Tell me about her hair.
Well, Lee has beautiful hair. I mean, I can turn it around. I mean, it's just gorgeous long hair, and it would take her forever to blow dry this. So with this, it takes her half the time.
Can you do it, like, can it dry naturally after you get a Brazilian blowout so it's not quite as frizzy?
Absolutely, and it won't dry stick straight, but you know, you can still get that nice polished look even with it, you know, drying naturally.
Yeah, which is great. Now, what about other smoothing methods that maybe people have done? What makes this stand out?
So I prefer this because the Brazilian blowout, it contains amino acids. So you can actually rinse it out the same day if you want. I like to keep it in for a couple days just so it's in contact with the hair more. But like the keratin treatment, for instance, that has to be on 72 hours and it crystallizes on the hair.
Oh,
so
okay.
and you can actually also over-keratinize the hair, which can cause it to break. So the Brazilian blowout, you avoid all of that.
Okay, now, how long will this last on Lee's hair?
Well, it will depend on how often she washes her hair. So if you wash
Okay.
your hair every day or you're spending a lot of time in salt water, it's not going to last as long. But I would anticipate this is going to last her about 3 months.
Oh, that's a long time.
Yeah, and the results are cumulative. So, like, the more she does it, the healthier her hair is going to be.
Okay, now, if we want to come in and get this done, how do we come into your salon?
Well, you just call the salon. You can just book an appointment. And if you can't get in with me, I can get you in with one of our other stylists. We have so many amazing stylists
You're
at
at
Saatchi. Oh my God, yeah.
Okay,
and
Saatchi Salon.
Everybody there is great. So
Okay,
yeah.
very good. And you can learn more and book your appointment online. Visit hairbyjoshuapaul.com. You can also check him out on Instagram at hairbyjoshuapaul. And this is the best part too. You actually find your models on Instagram. So check them out on Instagram and maybe you could be here modeling.
Yeah.